In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete reposted videos on Instagram. Sometimes we share a video to our followers and then change our mind later, or maybe you just want to clean up your reposts and keep your profile a bit more organized. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the exact place inside Instagram where all your reposts live, and how to remove any reposted video quickly and safely. First, open Instagram and make sure you're on your main home dashboard. This is the screen where you normally see your feed of posts from people you follow. If you're using Instagram on a computer, this will be the main page right after you log in. On mobile, it's the Home tab. Make sure you're logged into the account where you originally reposted the video. Next, look over to the left-hand column if you're on desktop, or open the main menu on mobile. You're looking for the option labeled More. Go ahead and click or tap on More. This opens up an extended list of tools and settings that aren't shown on the main screen. From that menu, find and select Your Activity. This section is really useful because it's where Instagram groups everything you've done on the platform, your interactions, time spent, recent searches, and more. For today, we're only interested in the interactions related to reposts. Inside Your Activity, look for the tab labeled Reposts. This is a dedicated area where Instagram lists all the posts you've reposted, including videos. If you don't see anything here, it may mean you haven't reposted from this account, or you might be on the wrong profile, so double check that if needed. Once you're in the Repost tab, you'll see a grid or list of all the content you've reposted. Scroll through until you find the specific video you want to remove. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the right post, especially if you repost similar content often. When you find it, click or tap on that post to open it. With the post now open, look for the repost icon on the actual post. This is the same icon you used when you originally reposted it, and it should currently show a tick or check mark to indicate it's active as a repost. Click or tap that repost icon again. When you do this, the tick inside the icon should disappear. That change means you have successfully undone the repost, and the video will no longer appear as a repost on your account.